Hey everybody, this is Mike Anderson with Collision Advice. I'm here with my great friend Danny with the DEG, and we're working with SCRS to bring you a series of quick tips that will help you to boost your business. So today's tip is about OEM repair procedure research. You know, there's two things you need to take into consideration when it comes to OEM repair procedure research. The first is your administrative time. You see, you've got the time to actually research and find the document, and then you've got to have the time to actually take and review it. Did you know that according to Google, it takes the average human being about 2 minutes to read a one-page technical document? The second thing we have to think about is the subscription cost. Now, many OEMs will allow you to subscribe to their website for 1 day, 1 week, or 1 year. So the best thing to do is figure out how many of those cars you fix in a year and divide that into what you paid for the subscription fee if it's yearly. If not, I love the fact that we can actually bill for just a day or two. Now, anytime somebody asks me, is something included? I always reach out to the expert, and that's Danny from the DEG website. So Danny, labor and the OEM subscription fee, included or not included?
It's a great question, Mike. It's a not included operation. All three estimating systems have language regarding that, and their P pages are on the DEG's website in a database inquiry. So we have defined that it's a not included operation as well as a subscription cost.
So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, from the expert. Keep in mind, ladies and gentlemen, this series brought to you by SCRS is to help you to boost your business. Make it a great day.